Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to prevent animated stickers from showing in the Telegram app on your PC. With the latest update, some users have noticed that these animated stickers can be a little distracting, or even cause unnecessary use of system resources. If you'd like a smoother experience in Telegram without all the constant movement, here's exactly what you need to do. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure it's updated so everything looks the same as what we're covering here. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top of the Telegram window. This will open up the main menu where you can find all of your settings and account options. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you'll want to head into the settings section. Once inside, look for the option labeled Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram keeps all the tools that help control how animations behave inside the app. Now, you'll see a specific setting for animated stickers. By default, they're usually turned on, which is why you see those lively moving images every time someone sends one. To stop them from playing automatically, simply disable the Animated Stickers option. This will immediately turn off the movement for any sticker you receive, showing them as static images instead. When you've made this change, be sure to click Save to confirm. If you forget that step, the setting won't stick, and you'll still see animations the next time you log in. Saving only takes a second, and it locks in your preference. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully stopped animated stickers from playing in Telegram on your PC. This not only makes the chat look cleaner, but it can also slightly improve performance, especially if you keep Telegram open for long periods of time. Whether you're trying to focus more on conversations, or you just prefer the calmer look of static stickers, this small tweak can make a big difference. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother Telegram experience that feels more suited to your style.